The US is opening a new front against Iran. This time, the weapon is economic. Washington has launched Operation Economic Outcast, aimed at cutting off the money, trade, and technology that keep Iran connected to the global economy. And the pressure doesn't stop at Iran. Foreign banks and companies that continue certain business with Iran could also face US sanctions. Announced on 24th August by US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, the campaign targets the networks that help Iran earn revenue, move money, ship goods, and access technology. The US has already sanctioned nearly 60 individuals, companies, and vessels across several jurisdictions. It is also threatening wider use of secondary sanctions. These allow Washington to target foreign companies and banks for certain dealings with Iran, even when those companies aren't American. Washington has identified 5 major sectors: digital assets, technology, gold, aviation, and shipping. But oil remains critical. Iranian oil sales are a major source of foreign currency, while shipping networks help keep that trade moving despite sanctions. The US wants to make it increasingly risky for foreign businesses and financial institutions to support these networks. The US has another powerful weapon: access to the dollar system. Bessent warned that entities facilitating money laundering for Iran could be cut off from it. That matters because banks worldwide rely on US correspondent banks and dollar clearing networks for international transactions. So even a foreign company can have a strong reason to avoid US sanctions. Iran's trade networks stretch across countries including China, India, the UAE, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Switzerland. So the success of Operation Economic Outcast may depend on how far Iran's trading partners are willing to go to avoid US sanctions. Washington is betting that tighter economic isolation will push Iran back to the negotiating table. Whether that brings Tehran closer to a deal or deepens the confrontation remains to be seen. Follow Business Standard for more stories.